Today I'm going to address one of the very important questions that a lot of you ask me. Do I have to be great in maths to do PhD in economics? Well, first of all, congratulations if you're choosing PhD in economics. It in itself is a very big step to go ahead and take. It is like going ahead and choosing a way of being a thinker, an explorer, a problem solver who wants to go ahead and not just want to uh, grasp the existing concepts of economics, but who wants to also go ahead and who wants to also take one step ahead and want to also bring new theories into the world, who want to go ahead and identify what additional can economics bring to the world. Now, see, if you go ahead and you want to become, if you want to do a PhD in economics, and in fact, even when you want to do a master's in economics for most of it, you have to read and understand the past work in economics. And that past work in economics would definitely be logical statements. And those logical statements would for sure involve a major part of mathematics, right? So, for example, let's say that when you want to go ahead and do PhD in economics, you go ahead and you want to identify the problem. The problem can be anything. I want to find Nash equilibrium. I want to find Pareto efficiency. I want to go ahead and I want to describe how to check whether the Phillips curve is existent in the 21st century, check whether the Phillips curve existed during the period of COVID-19. I can be doing anything, right? Identifying the problem does not require a lot of maths, at least not directly. But once I have identified the problem, I would want to read what has happened in the past on those problems. I would want to understand what is the work on Phillips curve in the past, what has been the causes of something happening. And to do that, you need a strong analytical background, right? And majorly when you have to go ahead and you have to write your own models, when you have to prepare your own solution, well, that is when you would be requiring to go ahead and to use math up to some extent. So then maths becomes important. So, when you have a good, when I teach my students an entrance exam for, when I do a course on entrance for PhD in economics, that's when I also tell people how much maths is required. I've tried and listed out that also. We'll discuss that in detail. But clearly the point here is that mathematical ability helps you create good models. Mathematical ability helps you analyze the past and also helps you to use that past models to make a more sound and better model for the future. So, at this stage, I would like to go ahead and say that if you want to be a good economist, you also have to be a good mathematician. Okay, thank you. All the best.